What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I'm going to look into a new detailing product that I got. Just picked up a IK Foam Pro 2 and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the product. If you're familiar with the IK Foam Pro 1.5, this is the bigger brother to it, and they've gone over a few things, improved them, and just made it overall better. And a lot of people have good things to say about it. Okay, taking this out of the box here. On the box, you get the instruction manual, of course the sprayer itself, and a little baggie of accessories here. If you look on the side of the box, it goes over the trigger, all the features that it has, explains the tips that come with it. You have a green for dry foam that really will cling, the gray, which is the intermediate, and also an orange, which is the wettest foam. If you look here, compared to the 1.5, it's a little bit wider base down here, so it's a little more sturdy when you're setting it down on everything. It comes with a locking trigger, so you can spray or have it locked for transport. Over here, you actually have a pressure release valve. When you're pumping it up, once it's fully pumped up, you actually hear this hiss a little bit. That way you know you're fully pumped and ready for use. Then you have the removable tip here. And with this, you can actually take this off, and there's a little foam insert. And that's actually what creates the foam with this sprayer. You do get a couple, I believe it's 10 foam replacement inserts that you can use to replace it over time, and you can wash them. Taking the bottom off from the top, oops, you can notice here it has a little bit of indents, make it nice for gripping when you're screwing this back on. If it's wet at all. So right now it comes standard with the gray, which is the intermediate. I'm gonna switch that out, just pulling it a little bit, if I can get it here. Alright, there we go. So there you see the gray one. I'm actually going to swap it out here. So as you look into them, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this. There's the orange, the gray, and the green. Basically just the size of the little hole in them determines how much will go through it. I'm going to put in the smallest diameter hole, which will be the thickest foam. And to do that, you just simply put the straw back in there and then just fasten it again. You just need to push it in until it clicks. Just like that, you're good to go. Put this back on here. And you're all tightened up. Another thing that's really nice with this compared to the 1.5, this one is actually 50 ounces, whereas the 1.5 was 35, so you don't quite double the size, but definitely a nice sizable upgrade. Here's the foam inserts that I explained a little bit on earlier. These go in here to filter the foam solution. The extra tips that come with it actually can be stored in the handle under here. It comes with two colors. In case you have more than one of the Foam Pro 2s, you would be able to keep them color coordinated for which chemical you have. So basically you could just take them, get your little snap here, and click it up in here. Just like that, and you'll have them color coded, and you'll be good to use. So I'm gonna take that off. All right, that's basically all you need to know for the Foam Pro 2. Let's put it into action. All right, for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna fill a little bit of it with some water and some soap just to see how it does. Another nice thing, it does have increments here on the side so you can mix your dilutions with whatever chemical you're using. So I'm just gonna put some water in here. And we'll grab some soap. Just gonna put a little Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. I really like this stuff with my foam cannon. Creates lots of nice thick suds, so I'm just gonna do just a little pour in there. That's all the more we should need. Another handy tip when using these is leave about maybe an inch or so of air at the top. Because these use pressure when you pump it up, if you have it completely full of your solution, you won't be able to build pressure as quickly. So if you leave a little space of air at the top, it helps it pressurize, and then you're good to go with your foaming. All right, we stepped outside, got her filled up about a third of the way with some foam. Let's see how she performs. Look at that. Nice thick foam, clings to the paint like crazy. That's insane. It's like shaving cream. Very cool. Foam is super thick. Piles down here, it's like shaving cream. I mean, if you pick this stuff up. So thick. Also, cleaned the paint pretty well there. You can see a big line right across where the foam went. I'd say it did a pretty good job of cleaning. I literally just sprayed that on there. You can see a huge difference where I sprayed. And this is just regular car soap. That's awesome. Such thick suds. I'm enjoying this. Alright guys, we just got back inside from foaming up the truck out there a little bit. Overall, I am super impressed with this product. You can actually go to the Rag Company's website, or you can go on to Amazon where I got mine. This thing is gonna run you about 35 bucks. Overall, not that bad. I would definitely recommend this to any mobile detailer who's running back and forth, instead of mixing up a bunch of chemicals. You can actually dilute whatever you're going to be using in here, and therefore make it last longer. And that foam does a great job of cleaning things to the paint for a long time. Overall, I would probably give this a 9 out of 10. The only thing that I really have against it, you have to pump it a lot. I didn't fill it up a ton at the beginning, so that's probably why I had to pump it up a bunch. But I did have to pump it probably 7 times. I forget I counted exactly, but I'll throw that up on the screen there. Overall though, I would definitely recommend this product. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. That was my review of the IK Foam Pro 2. Like I said, you can go online to the Rag Company or go on Amazon, pick yourself up one for around 35 bucks. Not that bad. I would definitely recommend getting this product. I have had no problems with it this far, and I look forward to using it on my future details. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.